Let's kick things off with a true game changer, AlphaFold, developed by the brilliant minds at DeepMind. Proteins are the workhorses of our cells, responsible for basically everything. But figuring out their three-dimensional structure, that's been a major challenge. AlphaFold changed the game. It uses deep learning algorithms to predict protein structures with incredible accuracy. We're talking about solving structures that have baffled scientists for decades. Knowing the precise shape of a protein is crucial for understanding how it functions, how it might malfunction in disease, and how we can design drugs that interact with it effectively. AlphaFold is giving us a whole new level of insight into the machinery of life itself. Imagine being able to design drugs with a level of precision we could only dream of before, targeting specific proteins involved in diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, or even COVID-19. AlphaFold is opening doors to treatments that were once considered science fiction. Now, while AlphaFold is incredible at predicting individual protein structures, the story doesn't end there. Proteins are social creatures. They rarely act alone. Enter RoseTTAFold, developed by the University of Washington. This ingenious tool takes on the challenge of predicting not just individual protein structures, but also how they interact with each other. RoseTTAFold uses similar deep learning techniques to AlphaFold, but with a twist. It factors in information about how proteins interact, learning from vast amounts of data on protein complexes. This allows it to predict the intricate structures formed when proteins come together, providing invaluable insights into how they function as a team. RoseTTAFold gives us the tools to study these interactions in detail, understand what goes wrong in disease, and potentially even design therapies that can correct these errors. So far, we've seen how AI can predict existing protein structures and their interactions. But what if we could go a step further and actually design entirely new proteins with tailor-made functions? That's where things get really interesting with ProteinGAN. Developed at the University of Cambridge, ProteinGAN leverages the power of generative adversarial networks, or GANs for short. In the case of ProteinGAN, the generator creates new protein sequences, while the discriminator evaluates how closely these sequences resemble naturally occurring proteins. Through this iterative process, ProteinGAN learns to generate protein sequences with specific properties and functions. Imagine enzymes that can break down pollutants with incredible efficiency, biomaterials with unheard-of strength and flexibility, or even therapeutic proteins that can target specific cells with laser-like precision. ProteinGAN is giving us the tools to engineer the building blocks of life itself. This is huge. We're talking about designing proteins from scratch that can do things no natural protein can do. Let's talk about drug discovery. Developing new drugs is long, complex, and expensive. DeepChem simplifies this process. It's a Swiss Army knife for molecular modeling, predicts molecular properties accurately, instantly get information on solubility, toxicity, and therapeutic effects, virtually screen massive libraries of molecules, revolutionizes drug development for safer, effective treatments. Generative AI is revolutionizing DNA and RNA research, giving us control over the code of life. Tools like GANomics design synthetic sequences with precision, enhancing proteins and silencing harmful genes. This technology is pivotal in vaccine development, creating targeted, efficient synthetic vaccines. Beyond vaccines, AI-powered tools promise breakthroughs in gene therapy and agriculture. Let's dive back into the world of chemistry. Explore multi-GAN and ChemGAN, the digital alchemists transforming data into chemical gold. They create and optimize chemical compounds, like a virtual chemistry lab. These tools sift through vast chemical spaces, identifying promising candidates. Revolutionizing drug design, they explore a universe of chemical possibilities. Remember AlphaFold, the protein structure prediction powerhouse? Meet ESMFold by Meta AI and OpenFold, an open-source alternative. These tools push protein structure prediction further, making it more accessible. ESMFold uses evolutionary scale modeling, while OpenFold is open source. Both rival AlphaFold in accuracy and offer great accessibility. Let's shift our focus to personalized medicine. Imagine treatments tailored to your unique genetic makeup, maximizing efficacy and minimizing side effects. DeepGenomics companies use AI to analyze genomic data, uncovering connections between genes, health, and treatments. This helps predict disease risk and enables early detection for preventative care. Work with your doctor to develop a personalized health plan and start early interventions. Personalized treatments can revolutionize healthcare, leading to better outcomes and fewer adverse reactions. We've covered a lot of ground today, from protein folding to personalized medicine, and it's clear that generative AI is poised to revolutionize the field of bioinformatics. But as with any transformative technology, there are challenges to overcome and ethical considerations to address as we venture further into this uncharted territory. One of the biggest challenges is data availability. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on, and in the world of bioinformatics, high-quality, labeled data can be scarce. Another challenge is computational cost. Training these complex AI models requires massive amounts of computing power, which can be expensive and energy-intensive. Ethical considerations are also paramount. As we delve deeper into the realm of personalized medicine and genetic testing, we need to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically. But despite these challenges, the future of generative AI in bioinformatics is incredibly bright. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of generative AI and its transformative impact on bioinformatics. From predicting protein structures with mind-blowing accuracy to designing personalized treatments tailored to our unique genetic code, these tools are revolutionizing the way we understand and interact with the building blocks of life itself. It's an exciting time to be alive, witnessing the convergence of biology, technology, and human ingenuity on a scale never seen before. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is certain. The future of bioinformatics is intelligent, it's personalized, and it's already here. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this deep dive into the world of generative AI and bioinformatics as fascinating as I did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your